Designed for basic medical needs, the one-function bed provides backrest adjustability with durable support. Combined with a quality mattress, it's the perfect choice for home care, patient mobility and restful positioning without compromising on comfort.
Today we are giving a demonstration of a single function hospital bed. This hospital bed is single function because it ups and downs only from head side. This bed is medical grade stainless steel with powder coated, and the weighing capacity of this bed is up to 150 kg. Single function hospital bed has two locking system in its casters. Means it has a diagonal locking system. This can be locked like this. In single function bed, the railings are made up of aluminum. It gives a complete protection to the patient and it prevents fall of patient from the bed. These are very compact, easily foldable side railings like this. Single function bed comes with a ABS panel on both the sides, head and foot side. ABS panel gives a complete comfort and safety to the patient. Single function bed comes with a mattress of 4 to 5 inches in thickness. This is of 40 HD, gives a complete comfort to the patient for long hours. Another thing, this mattress has a single cut lining where it can be easily folded and gives a complete comfort to the patient. This mattress comes with a PU coating, so it helps in proper cleaning of the mattress and proper sanitization, which gives a complete safety to the patients. Operates through remote and ups and down only from head side. Now you can see in this. It can lift the patient up to 85-degree angle.
Can the bed elevate it from the leg side?
No, this is a single function bed, so it can be raised only from head side, not from the leg side.
Is this bed movable?
Yes, you can easily move the bed or change the position and location of the bed anytime. Post changing the location, you have to just lock the casters.
Is the height adjustable?
There is no option of height adjustment in this bed because it's a single function.